Mrs. Green was an old lady. She traveled often, and she wasn't afraid of flying. One day, she was going from Chicago to San Francisco in a big plane. There were a lot of empty seats on it. Mrs. Green's seat was near a window. There was a young man on the other side of the aisle. He was near a window, too. Mrs. Green looked at the young man several times. "He's always looking at the engine outside his window," she thought. She got up and walked around in the plane for a few minutes. Then she sat down and looked at the young man again. "Yes," she thought, "he's looking at that engine all the time." After half an hour, Mrs. Green went over to him and said, "Take a walk around the plane, young man. I'm going to watch that engine for you for a few minutes."
Now answer these questions. 1. How did Mrs. Green go from Chicago to San Francisco? 2. Where did she sit? 3. Where was the young man sitting? 4. What was he doing? 5. What did Mrs. Green want him to do? 6. What did she offer to do for him when he wasn't in his seat?